First, I selected a photo and placed it on the canvas. Then, I reduced the opacity to create a soft and blended effect. After that, I started changing the background and tried different stay to find the perfect match. I keep adjusting the background until it looked clean and attractive. Next, I balanced the colors so the subject and background match smoothly. I also made some fine adjustment to brightness and contrast for a better look. Finally, I checked the overall result and saved the edit in high quality. And that's how you can create a smooth and stylish background edit using opacity